Dear participant, in this video I'll show you how can you access recorded session on AIGR platform. Here one participant account, okay, I have just joined. Now see, there are many options. Upcoming live session, you can join here upcoming live session like this 15 minutes before starting this workshop. So just you have to click join live session. No need to install any software. So now another thing, here my content, okay, you can access all the contents from here. Like just click it continue button. Now see here live section again, and another section there, recorded section. If you click here recorded section, then you can find this symbol mean you can download this resources. Download these resources, publication 1, 2, 3 literature. Now we have uploaded one recorded session, like here recorded session 1. Just click over there. If you click over there recorded session, then you will be directed here the recorded video or recorded session. Okay, and another thing, you can increase or decrease your video and audio quality. Here the quality option, you can increase your video quality 1080p, and also you can increase speed according to your needs like 1.25. okay, so thank you.